Now, you don't have to all watch them all at one time. You can separate them, mix them, blend them in. But if you're looking for a day where you just want to watch, okay, hey, I want to watch all shark movies this day, I highly recommend that you add these films that I named. So I'm going to go over this list one more again. Swamp Shark, Shark Lake, Mega Shark versus Mega Croc, Shark Attack, Open Water, The Reef, 47 Meters Down, and The Meg. Those are highly recommended must-watch films.